Traverse tough environments and be silently deadly by riding the Rambo Prowler electric hunting bike. This premium electric bike features a powerful drivetrain with a unique gearless technology that makes it a true silent but very capable hill climbing monster. The bike sports a powerful 1000-watt Bafang Ultra drive motor equipped with 3 sensors that monitors both the speed and torque that gives unmatched control and comfort. It comes with an ultra-high-capacity lithium battery pack that gives it an incredible range of 40 miles, so it is a perfect bike that will not lose charge halfway in your commute or adventure. The bike has a blistering top speed of 28 miles per hour, so it is safe to use on the road. The Rambo Prowler electric fat bike comes with premium Maxxis Minion 4.8-inch thick fat tires on a pair of 26-inch Welgo 70mm wide double-wall rims. These tires are rated on the beach, snow, and sand, and on loose terrain. There is also the GT860 Air inverted fork suspension that is more rigid and therefore makes the ride smooth and tolerable on rough terrain. With free shipping, lowest prices guaranteed, fast delivery and no sales tax, it's easy to see why Electric Bike Paradise is the leading electric bike retailer online. So shop our selection of e-bikes now at electricbikeparadise.com or reach us at 800-590-2738 and talk to our sales specialist available from Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.